Why does your scanner show the P0067 engine code? What does it mean? P0067 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-assisted injector control circuit high. The P0067 engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a voltage reading in the air assist injector system. Under this circumstance, escort distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty air assist injector, solenoid, damaged, frayed, or melted wiring, corroded or electrical connections, blown fuse or relay, malfunctioning engine control module, ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda, Toyota, and Mazda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.